Hello and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us today.
In our previous episodes, we've talked about introducing yourself and describing your hometown.
Today we're going to discuss another common topic, talking about your family in English.
Family is an important part of our lives, and it's a topic that comes up often in conversations.
Whether you're making small talk, getting to know someone, or just chatting with friends, knowing how to talk about your family is really useful.
We'll teach you vocabulary for family members, how to describe relationships, and phrases to talk about what your family is like.
As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly for beginners.
And we'll review all the key vocabulary at the end.
Let's start our conversation.
Tom, do you come from a big family or a small family?
I come from a medium-sized family, I'd say. I have 2 younger sisters, so there are 3 children in total.
That's nice. Are you close with your sisters?
Yes, we're pretty close now, though we fought a lot when we were kids.
That's normal for siblings. How much younger are they?
My middle sister is 3 years younger than me, and my youngest sister is 6 years younger.
So you're the oldest. Do you feel like you had more responsibility growing up?
Definitely, my parents always expected me to set a good example. Sometimes it felt like a lot of pressure.
I can imagine. What do your sisters do now?
My middle sister is a nurse. She works at a hospital in Boston. And my youngest sister is still in university studying architecture.
Those are both great careers. What about your parents? What do they do?
My father is a high school math teacher, and my mother is a librarian. They're both retired now, though.
Oh, so they're enjoying their retirement. Do they live near you?
No, they still live in Seattle, where I grew up. I try to visit them a few times a year.
That's sweet. Do you stay in touch regularly, even though you're far away?
Yes, we video call every week. Technology makes it much easier to stay connected.
That's wonderful. Now let me tell you about my family.
Please do. I'd love to hear about them.
Well, I come from a smaller family. I'm an only child, so it's just me, my mom, and my dad.
Oh, so you never had to share toys or fight over the remote control.
That's true, but sometimes I wished I had a brother or sister to play with.
I can understand that. Did you feel lonely growing up?
Sometimes, yes, but I had a lot of cousins, so family gatherings were always fun and loud.
That's good. How many cousins do you have?
I have 7 cousins on my mom's side and 4 on my dad's side, so 11 total.
Wow, that is a lot. Are you close with all of them?
I'm closest to my 3 cousins who live nearby. We grew up together and we're almost like siblings.
That's really nice. What about your parents? What are they like?
My mom is very warm and sociable. She loves hosting dinner parties and bringing people together.
She sounds lovely.
She is, and my dad is quieter, more reserved. He's an accountant, so he's very organized and practical.
They sound like they balance each other out well.
They do. They've been married for 35 years now.
That's impressive. My parents have been married for 40 years.
Wow, what's their secret to a long marriage?
They always say communication and compromise are the keys, and having a sense of humor helps too.
That's great advice. Do you have any grandparents still living?
Yes, my grandmother on my mother's side is still alive. She's 87 years old and lives in a retirement community.
That's wonderful. Do you visit her often?
I try to visit her when I go back to Seattle. She tells the best stories about the old days.
Grandparents' stories are treasures. What about extended family? Do you have aunts and uncles?
Yes, I have 3 aunts and 2 uncles. We usually all get together for major holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Those must be big gatherings.
They are. With all the cousins and everything, there are probably about 25 people at holiday dinners.
That sounds wonderful, though. I love big family celebrations.
Me too. The house is always full of noise, food, and laughter.
Speaking of family traditions, does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every summer we have a family camping trip. We've been doing it since I was little,
That's a lovely tradition. Where do you go camping?
usually to a national park in Washington state. We hike, fish, and cook over the campfire. What traditions does your family have, Sarah?
Every Sunday, we have a family roast dinner at my parents' house. It's been our tradition for as long as I can remember.
A traditional British Sunday roast. What do you usually have?
Roast beef or chicken, roasted potatoes, vegetables, and Yorkshire pudding. My mom makes the best gravy.
That sounds delicious. Do other family members join?
Sometimes my cousins come, or my dad's brother and his family. It's always nice to catch up over a meal.
Food really brings families together, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Some of my best memories are around the dinner table with my family.
Same here. Now, let me ask you, do you think your family has influenced who you are today?
Definitely. My parents taught me to be independent and confident, and being an only child made me comfortable spending time alone.
That makes sense. My sisters taught me patience and how to share.
And being the oldest probably made you responsible and protective.
Exactly. Our families shape us in so many ways.
They really do. Even the challenging parts help us grow.
Very true. What's something you appreciate most about your family?
I appreciate that they've always supported my decisions, even when they didn't understand them. What about you?
I appreciate that my family is always there for each other. No matter what happens, we stick together.
That's beautiful. Family support is so important.
It really is. Even when we disagree, we know we can count on each other.
That's what family is all about.
Let's review important vocabulary for talking about family.
First, immediate family members, mother or mom, father or dad, sister, brother, son, daughter.
Extended family, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin, niece, nephew.
To describe family size, I come from a big, small, medium-sized family. I'm an only child. I have 2 siblings.
For relationships, I'm close with, we're very close. We stay in touch. We keep in contact.
Age differences. She's older, younger than me. He's 3 years older. My youngest sister, my eldest brother.
To describe personalities, she's warm and friendly. He's quiet and reserved. They're outgoing. She's very organized.
For occupations, my father is a teacher. She works as a nurse. He's retired.
Family relationships. They've been married for 20 years. We're like siblings. We balance each other out.
Traditions. We have a family tradition. We always get together for every year we...
These phrases will help you talk naturally about your family.
Now you know how to describe your hometown in English.
Remember to include location, size, weather, attractions, and personal experiences.
Practice describing your hometown using today's vocabulary.
You could even write a short paragraph about it to practice your writing skills.
That's an excellent idea. Writing helps reinforce what you've learned.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Dialogue today.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And tell us in the comments, where is your hometown and what's special about it?
We'd love to learn about places all around the world.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Until next time, happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.